Hello, my YouTube friend. It's Sunday. It's been a very, very busy day. I'm trying not to work today. I was trying to take the day off a little bit. I did have to come in a few times. I had one guy who came in to sell stuff, but I wasn't able to. I was just too tired. So I feel bad about that. I just want to let you guys know, if you want to trade stuff in or sell stuff to me, the weekend's really bad because I like to take off Saturday and Sunday or try to do other things on Saturday or Sunday. I don't like to be in the store buying on those days just because it's super busy and hard to do. I did end up with one little teeny trade I did today. And then I do have a big collection that just got dropped off. So Rich just dropped off a whole bunch of boxes. I think it's about a $7,000 collection. I'm going to work on that in the next day or two. I kind of planned out. So I didn't plan anything but this. And then I have another collection that I'm supposed to buy at the end of the week or next weekend. I just realized I did not have any of my glow-in-the-dark robots in the shop. So I just brought a case up from the basement. So I also have a glow-in-the-dark one, if you guys are interested. He's almost a glow-in-the-day one because his glows are really good. So I love that. But yeah, if you want to trade stuff in, the best thing to do is just contact us on Instagram or by email and just be like, hey Sean, I want to trade 20 pops. Or hey Sean, I have a giant massive collection of 1,000 pops. Whatever it is that you want to trade in or sell, just let me know. It makes it easier so that I can plan it out. Because when people randomly come in, maybe I'm busy doing something else or I'm spending the day with my son. And so it's really hard for me to constantly just be on demand to come in at any moment. It's kind of exhausting. So I do like to plan it out. I try to tell people, like, maybe next Thursday or maybe Tuesday or... No, not Tuesday. We're close to Tuesday, but they might drop it off Monday night for me to work on Tuesday. That kind of thing. Like, we're closed Tuesday, but I do use Tuesday sometimes to do the big collections because it's just quiet. I can put a little music on. I can sit there and just sort through stuff and have fun. I did buy a wind cover for my camera. It's going to be here in a few days because I had fun doing the walk around the neighborhood kind of thing, but the wind was kind of loud, and some people were like, oh, you should get that. So I did get it because I want to try to do more walk around videos because that was kind of fun. Oh yeah, my wife also just reminded me that Wednesday is her birthday, so we're not buying anything on Wednesday. We're taking it very easy that day so she can have a little bit of fun because I've been working her too hard lately. It's good though. That's what happens in the spring. We have to work really hard after kind of a slow winter. This aisle, I know we sold a lot, but it looks like, I guess the pops are just off the floor. But the sales have been really good this weekend. It was a cold, dreary day last week where the sales kind of dropped down a little bit, and I was a little bit afraid. So I wasn't sure how much I wanted to buy this week. But this weekend's been great. I think Saturday is one of our best days. Sunday's been probably our best Sunday this spring. So I guess I'm going back into it, and I'll be working on Rich's collection the next few days. And then depending on how fast that sells, I'm just going to keep up doing it because I'm having a lot of fun. I want to try to do a quick video outdoors. I don't know how bad the sound's going to be with the wind. But I kind of want to show you guys where my store is located because a lot of people, even people in New York, aren't quite sure where my shop is. And I kind of wanted to give you an idea. So we're going to take a walk that direction. I'm going to show you how close we are to the East River. So this is the old location of Rough Trade. It was a really awesome record store. That it was really good for my shop because people would come in here for the big releases and they had concerts and signings. People would line up around the block, and we're literally half a block that way from Rough Trade. And so we sold a lot of records and CDs and movies, but sadly they had to close down from the pandemic, which has hurt our business in that category. We don't sell as much as we did when they were here. But pops have just exploded, so I'm not really worried about it. I still have the CDs and the DVDs and the records because I love them, but definitely we're making less space for them because the sales just aren't as good as they were when Rough Trade was here. I kind of miss it. It was so cool just seeing the big people. Like Record Store Day was amazing. That used to be our best day of the year, and it was just fun having this really cool record store right around the corner. Okay, let me go to the river and show you how close we are. So it's not so noisy. It probably sounds terrible, but as you can see behind me, you got the Empire State Building, you have Uptown. As you can see, we have the United Nations over there, Empire State Building. We're literally a mile away from Manhattan. We're really close, maybe less than a mile. I'm not sure how wide the river is, but we're 1 block away from the river. If you take the L train, our shop is off the first stop of the L train. I think we're across from 15th Street in Manhattan. So basically, I mean, we're close. If you go to Toy Tokyo or Barnes & Noble or Forbidden Planet, we're literally like a 15-minute subway ride from there. Let me go back to the store, and then I'll show you how close the subway is. On the corner of North 8th and Wythe. If you look right there, there's our shop, PopFuzz. We're gonna go this way 2 blocks up to Bedford, and then over 1 block to North 7th to the subway. Let's go. This is the Wythe Ave stop on the L train. It's 3 blocks from my shop, and it just happens to be by my favorite pizzeria. Anna Maria's Pizza. Okay, so we got one entrance there. The Bedford Ave L train elevators right here. They just put that in a couple years ago. There's another entrance that comes out right there, and then on Driggs that way a block, this is the other entrance. So this is where the subway is. All right, let's head back to the shop. We are back, and that's tomorrow's video. Will be me digging through this giant collection. It's gonna be fun. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.